On one side of the factional war is Chief Mangosuthu Buthelez's Inkatha movement. The Zulu leader wants recognition as a major player in the constitutional negotiations expected to begin next year. In essence, he'd like to sit at the same table as his rival Nelson Mandela. He also claims that among the security forces are members of Chief Buthelez's KwaZulu police force, men trained at a secret base by the South African Defence Force.
These people were trained to get into faction fighting in KwaZulu and maybe in the rest of South Africa. In the hostels, in the townships. Initially they were sent back to KwaZulu, but after that they could have gone anywhere.
If it is Inkatha's intention to collude with the right in undermining negotiations, it's met with some success. Buthelezi, though, denies allegations of Defence Force training. Buthelezi is unlikely to give up the role of black spokesman he played so effectively through the long years of Mandela's imprisonment. The question remains whether the pair can put aside their differences to identify and counter their opposition and turn around a climate of anger, aggression and violent reaction. On the face of it, the recent violence in townships around Johannesburg, but now there's strong evidence that there's a third force operating, blacks used by right-wing whites trying to drown South Africa's peace process in blood.
Bengibhekene nazo ngesikhathi ngingungqongqoshe wezengaphandle kulelizwe iminyaka elishumi. Okwesibili lokho okwenze uma ungqongqoshe icele lidlala ngicela ukuthi ngize naye ngoba inkinga lezi edala lokhu bezitholwe yimi iminyaka elishumi njengongqongqoshe wezangaphakathi. Kusukela ngo-1994 ngaphansi komhlonishwa uMandela ngangithole lezi nkinga kuze beku-99 ngayithola lezi nkinga ngaphansi komhlonishwa. Ngakho-ke yingakho iy'nsizi zethu seyikhulile kangaka uxozomela okwenziwa abaphethe amandla abanye ukudla imali.
We'll try dip in again, give you a sense of the mood accompanied with the visuals that you're seeing. Essentially, things getting as tense as they were when, at least when he started speaking. Take a listen to what the mood is like now.